Oh, hi.
Hello.
Welcome, bienvenue to Veganuary, day 24.
Oh.
So today, we're going to jump on this trend. Everybody's got these tofu sheets from, they have yubu sheets, or yuba sheets too, from like the Asian store.
Mm-hmm.
They have them dried. These were already wet.
From Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's, baby. So a lot of people on TikTok and such and Reels make these into little chicken drumsticks. But we're going to make them into wings. We're going to give it a try. I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to try it. We're going to jump on the trend and ride it like a bucking bronco and see if we fall off or not.
Okay.
So first we're going to make our sauce. These are what they look like. They come frozen solid. I just had these in some water because I didn't plan ahead. Story of my life.
Mm.
And we're going to make them into little wings. Like, I would go back to Trader Joe's before the Super Bowl.
Oh, yeah?
Get more of these if they're good.
Oh.
For, like, wings.
You just want to go back anyway.
But would it be a bad thing?
No, because I'd love it too.
Yeah. All right. I'm trying this out for the first time. I went to my local delicacy store, the farm store, and I got this German Knorr Delicatesse Bruch. I'm assuming this is vegetable broth powder.
Okay.
So they
I
say,
hope you're right.
yeah, they say, if my German is correct, to take a heaping teaspoon and mix it with like a cup of water. So we're going to do a little bit less because we want maximum flavor on the inside of the chicken. So
The chicken.
So we're also going to put in just a touch of soy sauce for the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to use some cornstarch to help bind everything together. So we're going to put... That's probably too much water, I feel like. I don't know.
We're going to find out.
We will. For good or for better or for worse. We're going to find out. So let's see. I don't know. Maybe it's not too bad. Let's get all the lumpies out.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry for that dishwasher noise.
Remember when we got that dishwasher and we were like, it's so quiet.
That's not that one.
Oh, never mind.
That's the one that broke.
Oh.
Then we had to get that one.
Oh.
No, but the other one, you couldn't even tell it was on.
Yeah.
Is there water in here? No, not really.
Not really.
Whoop! Oh no!
That slid out very quickly.
Yes, it did. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Oh, see, there it is like a sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. I guess we have to unravel it. So all of the flavor can go in between the sheets. Oh, that's so weird.
Ooh.
You know what this reminds me of? The skin on like a pudding.
Oh, okay.
Pudding skin.
Yeah.
To which my husband says,
Yum.
why can't they make pudding skin like...
Like it's all skin?
Yeah, but he wants it like they make those craft singles.
Oh.
Like, could you make a pudding sheet like
No.
individually wrapped? And I'm like...
I'll go for a pudding where it's all skin. All pudding skin.
I don't like the skin.
Oh, I love it.
At all.
I love it.
Wow, I just wanted to see how much I could unwrap, as if this was a skin contest.
Ugh.
Interesting.
Okay.
Sean, would you eat this?
He said yes. He's a machine. He'll eat anything.
I feel like he'll eat anything.
You good eater, bud.
Yeah. He used to be a terrible eater.
Yeah, he's come a long way, baby.
Yeah. He only used to eat cheeseburgers, pizza,
Ramen.
V8,
V8.
Captain Crunch.
Yeah.
V8 was random, but he loved it.
At least he was getting some
Veggies
and fruit.
Yeah. Is there fruit in V8?
I think.
I don't know.
Tomatoes?
Is tomato actually a fruit?
Yes!
Alright, let's...
Alright, so we're gonna...
let this marinate for just a little bit.
Okay.
Looks promising.
Yeah. See you in a bit.
Okay. All right. This is looking nice and creepy.
Yeah,
I love
it.
All right. So since we're making wings, I want the skin on the outside. So I'm going to lean on my old friend rice paper wrapper.
Oh.
So you can get these at like TJ Maxx or like a gourmet store or Asian store. So it's basically just ground up rice that they made into a sheet and they dried it out. So I'm rehydrating it in a little bit of water and soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
So while that is softening up, I'm going to make my first wing. I don't want to make them too big.
Okay.
But I think I'm just going to like roll it like this, right?
Sure. I've only seen it with the stick before, so.
Okay. Well, this is
going to be a little different.
This is like a little drumette.
Oh, drumette.
I think that's even too big. That's kind of big, but...
No, I think that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. You want it to have some substance, right?
I guess. This isn't ready yet. We're going to do it with barbecue sauce.
Ooh.
We're going to glaze the outside with some barbecue sauce.
Take a look at that.
Brush it on a little bit.
Focus. I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes I know we cut away before it focuses, but I'm trying to be better about getting the label on there so you can see what we're using.
That's not ready yet. You know what? I'm going to put the next one in too so that it's ready.
Got time.
Yeah.
I've always loved how rice paper has like the markings on it.
The
I don't know
crosses.
why. Yeah, something about it.
Yeah. All right, this one might be a little bit better.
Just roll it up.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
You know, it's fun to work with. I wonder what it's going to taste like.
Hopefully good.
I hope so. That got all roly-poly. All right, this looks like it's ready.
There we go. Beautiful.
I think I made something like this before with like seitan.
Mm-hmm.
And it came out pretty good. So
Yeah.
I'm hoping this is going to be good too. So while that's, I'm going to get a whole little assembly line going here.
Right.
And
Optimize it.
yes, we'll check back when we are ready for the barbecue sauce. All right, we got all of our little doobies rolled out.
Oh.
So now we're just going to anoint them with some of this barbecue sauce.
Yummy.
I know. Oh, I can't wait to taste these. They look really good.
They do. I think it's going to be tasty.
Will we be going back to Trader Joe's for the Super Bowl?
I hope so.
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know if you think we will or not. Ooh. Looking
Beautiful.
good. So once we get these all sauced up,
The oven is already preheated to 375 degrees. I'm assuming it's going to be no longer than 15 minutes.
all right, we will let you know.
We might have to flip them and put a little sauce on the
other side
too.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
We want them nice and saucy.
Right.
We love that. We love the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about the sauce.
Absolutely.
Did I happen to mention how much I love the sauce? See you in a bit. Ooh, I don't know if you're ready for this.
I don't think I can handle this. It looks good.
It looks really good. I did flip it over halfway through and put more barbecue sauce on the other side.
And what was the total time? Total cook time?
I would say between 25 and 30 minutes.
Okay. Ooh, it looks nice and crispy.
Yes.
I'm gonna go for it. Smells good. You know, I always like to do the smell
Yes,
test.
I do.
Mmm, crunchy. Mmm.
Yeah?
Okay.
How's the flavor?
Oh my god. That's so good.
Really?
I got hit with the flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and juicy
Wait,
inside.
Let me focus there. There we go. You can see
good.
the shreddies.
Yeah. It's got shreddies. The rice paper on the outside is nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Mm.
Does it have chickeny flavor on the inside?
Oh. That is really tasty.
Are we going back to Trader Joe's?
We're going back to Trader Joe's.
Woo! Or we could just try and find an Asian store.
Yeah, I'm sure we can just go.
If we, you know, it just makes me sick because when we lived down in the city, we didn't have an Asian store.
Really?
We moved it. No, not on our road. When we went back down to visit recently, they opened up a friggin' H Mart 2 blocks from where we used to live.
I wish we had an H Mart up here.
I know, right?
It's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna finish this. This is delicious. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It was really good.
So it was worth it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it was a little bit of work to roll it up, but not that much work.
That is so delicious.
The payoff is worth it.
Yeah.
Does it remind you of the Maywas?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without all the grease.
Yeah, this doesn't feel greasy, which is really nice. Like I said, it's nice and juicy.
Well, the tofu is 2 ingredients, soybeans and water.
There you go.
So there's no there's no oil in there at all.
I just want to keep eating it, but I feel like I need to to sign off first. But that is really tasty.
All right.
You could even dip it in more sauce,
barbecue,
but you don't need to.
You could fry it if you wanted to.
You could. But
you could do it an Asian sauce.
Mm-hmm. It's really tasty.
Like a sticky sauce would be really good with that.
I can't wait for you to taste one and
okay.
But thank you all so much for watching. I have to admit, I was a little bit skeptical about this going into it, but I'm very, very happy with it. Look at that.
Was it the pudding skin that...
I don't know. I just didn't know what to expect, but...
Yeah.
It's really good.
Okay, well, I guess we're going to be going to that Asian store when we go shopping.
Yeah. I thought I wasn't going to be down with the texture. I think that's what was weirding me out the most.
Yeah.
Especially because, I don't know about you guys, but I don't want anything to be, too close to
too meaty?
Because that freaks me out.
Yeah.
And, this is good in that it looks...
meaty?
But, not.
Right.
I wouldn't look at this and be like, that's meat. No.
Yeah. Right.
So it's far enough away from it that I feel comfortable with it.
I feel what you're saying.
Yes, but it's close enough that I'm like...
It's vegan meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So... You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I actually do.
Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you give this a try because it's really, really delicious.
Yeah.
We will be having this again.
Absolutely.
Ooh. And until next time, much love.